Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer money from Tonkeeper to your Bybit wallet. Now, of course, you need two things. You need Tonkeeper and you need Bybit. Now, once you've signed into both accounts, what I want you to do is get your Tonkeeper wallet address first. So how do you do this? You go to the Tonkeeper address here, website. And once you've logged in, you go to the upper right corner of the screen with the deposit on yellow. Click on that. You're going to be brought to this page. Now, whatever crypto you're trying to transfer, of course, do that. For this example, let's do BTC, Bitcoin. So once you get Bitcoin, choose BTC, of course. So what you want to do next is click acknowledge. Once you've done that, you're going to be given your BTC address. So what you want to do is click on copy. Now that's copied, go to your Tonkeeper. So it's going to be on your Chrome extension. So click on this, and as you can see, this Tonkeeper. And in Tonkeeper, what you want to do is wait for it to load, of course. It's just taking a bit. Now after that, what you want to do is click on send. Once you click on send, you need to paste here the wallet address, and then you need to have a comment which is transferring BTC to Bybit. Something like that, right? You're good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next one.